I hope you're ready because today we're diving into candy corn. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Whether you love it or hate it, candy corn simply screams fall, so we have a lovely libation and scrumptious snack that celebrate this classic confection. Let's consume candy corn. This charming cocktail is inspired by candy corn, but is even better because it has booze. I call it the Honey Monkey. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of Don Q Gold Rum, 1/2 ounce vanilla liqueur, 1/4 ounce Barenjager honey liqueur, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 3 dashes of molasses bitters. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and garnish with a cocktail monkey holding a piece of candy corn. This tasty snack is slightly sweet and ridiculously easy to assemble. All you do is spread mini rice cakes with sunflower butter and top with a candy corn. You can use the time you saved on food prep to mix yourself another drink. Candy corn was created in the 1880s by George Renninger for the Wonderly Candy Company. When the Goelitz Confectionery Company started manufacturing it in the early 20th century, they called it chicken feed. Whatever you call it, candy corn is as much a part of fall as raking leaves. So grab some today, shake up some honey monkeys, and get ready for Halloween. It will be here before you know it. So, do you have your Halloween costume planned?
I was thinking of going as a piece of candy corn.
I was thinking of going as a cocktail.
Put us together and you have the Honey Monkey.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!